it can be frustrating when you try to cut a piece, you just slightly overcut it to where your piece is small or short somehow. There's a few things you can do to avoid that. One of the very first things is check your saw. Do you have blade wobble? If your blade has any play to it left and right, then you have blade wobble. So I'll take a piece of scrap and we'll go ahead and mark a line, okay? Let's do 8 13/16. So that's where I want to cut. I want to get in this area to cut my piece. This is the piece I want to keep. This is going to be scrap. So what that means is I need to set my saw blade like this. Close to the line, I can just see the wood between my straight edge here and the line that I've drawn, and see exactly where it's going to sit. So let's see how accurate I can get. And this is just by knowing where to cut as far as the line goes, okay? I do close one eye for this. I don't know why. Now let's see what this piece actually measures. See how close we got it to exactly right on the money. And look at that. 8 13/16. That is exactly right on the money. We still have our tiny little line that we made here. Marking it in the right spot and then cutting next to the line, and knowing that where you set your saw blade, if you have any wobble, you need to account for that. Or I should say compensate for that by moving your piece that much further away from your blade so that that blade wobble doesn't cause you to always cut smaller pieces than you want.